Prescripto CK1. Yan ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Alright. So, I'm very happy today kasi I was able to find this bottle sa loob ng kotse natin. I did try to look for this for a few months now. Few months kasi nga nawawala siya. Nung binili ko siya, I did not know where I placed it. So, I was looking for it. Thankfully, today, when I got home, may umalog na bote. Narinig ko siya. Yan, tignan ko. Yun nga, CK1. I just realized, totoo nga yung sabi nila, if you're not looking for what you're looking for, you suddenly find it. So, yan lang. Anyways, price of the Prescripto bottle that I have right here is I think less than 300 pesos. When I bought this a couple of months back, I'm not sure kung ano yung price nila right now for this 60 ml bottle. Alright, and in terms of the presentation, very simple. As you can see, I think you're gonna be very familiar with the Prescripto bottle, as you can as you have probably have seen them being sold in our malls. Now, concentration neto is EDT. Alright, and as mentioned, it's a 60 ml bottle, frosted glass, and then may branding, of course, harapan ni Prescripto, and some warning at the back, and same branding as well. Okay, cap is clear, and the atomizer is clear, and then crimped yung kanyang cover. Alright, now the perfume that I have right here is their version of CK1. CK1 is a perfume that I've worn so many times. Actually, kakaubos lang nung bote ko na CK1 a couple of months back. Okay, and I was not able to purchase a new one to compare this with, but you know, trust me, it's one of the perfumes that I've worn so many times. That's why I'll probably be able to compare this Prescripto bottle that I have right here. Okay, so let's do a couple of sprays on our red chest. Okay, yung atomizer niya medyo mahina yung buga. Okay, so just have to do a few sprays kung gusto mo maamoy ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay, yung opening nito ni CK1 ni Prescripto, medyo alcohol yung unang lumabas. Okay, and as you guys are aware of, may pagka-green notes si CK1. Naamoy mo si mandarin orange, pineapple, and lemon. Okay, and then may rose and jasmine na flowery notes, and as well as may pagka-musky and green tea yung amoy ni CK1. Alright, na I think may something na kulang yung pagka-citrusy ni CK1. This is actually parang dry down na ni CK1, yung amoy niya na, you know, still very good. Okay, in terms of the DNA ni CK1, andun pa rin naman. Okay, it's just that sa opening, I was expecting na, yun nga, tulad siya ng CK1 na medyo citrusy and medyo cool yung amoy. Ito kasi, spray mo pa lang, dry down na kagad. Dry down na kagad ni CK1 yung amoy ko. Anyways, yun na muna yung ating review for, or first impressions for CK1 Prescripto. Alright, I'll try to wear this perfume sa mga lakad ko, and I'll get back to you kung okay ba yung kanyang performance overall. Okay? So, yan. If you have any questions about the perfume that I have just done a first impression on, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer your questions. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!